Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see verbose output on Arduino application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download the Arduino application on your phone, on your PC. So if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through any browser you're using. And of course, you can download the latest version if you want. You can download my version if you want, which is 1.8.1. Or you can download whichever version you want, or whichever version you are good with. Do whatever suits you, because this tutorial will work at any version. So let's just go back to the idea of this video on how to see verbose output, of course during maybe the compilation or during the upload. So of course, if you want to see that, all we need to do, just go here to your file and click at preference here, or preference. So from here, you'd like to stay on the settings and then go here to show verbose output during compilation or during upload. Of course, you can enable them both at the same time. So what is verbose output? It's simply what shows here, because sometimes when you write code, they will actually show you maybe where you're gonna find something here, or etc. If you disable that, you will not be able to see it. So maybe if you want to make a simulation or on another program like ASIS or something, you will not find it if you didn't enable this option, which is show verbose output during compilation and upload. Of course, you'll need it just compilation. You don't need both. You'll need it just compilation, because compilation is the first thing you do. So what is compilation? So I'm sorry, I'm saying compilation. It's not compilation, it's compilation, sorry. So this is the compilation, is just verify. So for me, of course, I'll need to save it and etc. So that's actually the compilation, as you can see, compile and sketch. And of course, you will not have everything here unless you actually enable this. So if you disable it, you'll not have all of that. So let's say just cancel, and as you can see, I don't have the full data and I have just 2 lines here. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.